In today's video, we'll explore diffusion. We'll discuss what diffusion is, how it functions, its role in cell membranes, and the key factors influencing its rate. The core concept of this topic is that molecules move randomly when left undisturbed. If molecules are clustered in one area, over time, they will gradually disperse due to random motion until they become evenly spread out in the available space. This process is called diffusion. The definition to remember is that diffusion is the net movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Diffusion occurs in both gases and liquids. For instance, when perfume is sprayed, it diffuses throughout the room, making it detectable everywhere. Similarly, when food coloring is added to a beaker of water, it spreads until the entire liquid is uniformly colored. Another key point is that diffusion can also happen through certain materials, including cell membranes. Imagine a cell with its interior on the left and the external environment on the right, separated by a cell membrane. These membranes are partially permeable, meaning only specific molecules can diffuse through. Typically, small molecules dissolved inside or outside the cell can pass through, such as water, glucose, and amino acids. Larger molecules, however, are too big to pass through the membrane. Examples of these include proteins and starch. Diffusion is also a passive process, meaning it requires no energy from the cell. It occurs purely due to the random motion of particles. Now that we understand diffusion, let's examine the three factors that influence its rate. The first factor is the concentration gradient, which refers to the difference in concentration between two areas. Looking at two boxes, in both cases, more particles are on the left than the right, so they diffuse from left to right. However, in the top box, diffusion occurs faster because the concentration difference is greater. In summary, the larger the concentration gradient, the faster the diffusion rate. The second factor is temperature. Higher temperatures give particles more energy, causing them to move faster and increasing the rate of diffusion. Thus, higher temperatures lead to faster diffusion. The third factor is surface area. A larger surface area results in a higher diffusion rate. Consider two boxes with the same volume, but the bottom one has a larger surface area. More particles can interact with its surface, allowing for greater simultaneous diffusion. As a result, diffusion occurs at a higher rate when the surface area is larger.
If you haven't heard before, you can find all of our videos on our website geniushub.co.uk. Additionally, you'll also find MCQs, flashcards, past papers, and quizzes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.